Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV. So, if you don't know what is happening now, and the breaking news ba kwa aba and they say, ya appointed Asiedun Ketia among other people as a year part of the Parliamentary Service Board. Mama mwati asiye say Parliamentary Service Board na ya debi ankofu bebrina enim adia wamoye. They look out for the welfare of members of parliament and staff. And you know, I think simply put, that is the Parliamentary Service Board. Now, and especially MPP4, a lot of them have been reacting to this particular story. As you don't get an ankasa babonting akasa ewa same way. So I'm saying same way kind of the bebremo later. But simply put, and also I can't say. Sa appointment where ya de Emma wo no Asiedun Ketia no nanka 3 months ago and was say eba now so MPP4 wo mo adwen say wo mo ebe ku etia the fact say wo no Asiedun Ketia ye fa no and ye man appointment e wo parliament na MPP4 can say nanka ye fa ma NDC ni bia but no Asiedun Ketia nko ade ma ye fa ma no ene hunti ene ma ade no e che sa na onim but you see, Ghana Mra Etre say it is only one person who can appoint the members of the parliamentary board, and that person is Alban Bagbin. Into Alban Bagbin, the end of kind because advice committee parliament etias say any question of fast here don't but oka say hey onwa na mepe onwa so na mafa into nda me no ka say ase don't is part. Now we ama majority leader who is also part of the parliamentary service board. I will also double as the Minister for Parliamentary Affairs. I friend of Osechi Mensah Bonsu. Wababontin the allegations kesiye aba beto Alban Bagbin so. But answering beto us on the message, we have a new YouTube channel. As our YouTube channel no enche yebesha as say ye posti wo her videos. Into message link no our description box nimo. Click it na subscribe it. It's for young consem nimo. Majority leader Osechi Mensah Bonsu eden sem aba betuja. Now, what the allegations are to Alban Bagbin so say, Alban Bagbin wants to dominate parliament with appointment of NDC members. But so I say Alban Bagbin, a sense of better speaker ninti. See at the parliament hono NDC form kwan or for Martina board any nyama bebre so into over parliament and there. Even though MPP is the majority, a NDC for any rani bibia our parliament. That is what Osechi Mensah Bonsu waba bonting at the ababa betuja. Now, this is what he said. I say, since the speaker came, he has brought Kofi Atto, who is a national vice chairman of the NDC, as his special advisor. He has brought him to parliament. Obaso say, speaker of parliament, since Obayano, the special advisor krano or NDC ni, but yasemo. In the Speaker of Parliament and the Special Advisor Sebi, MPP ni non-kofana. It's just a question I'm asking because it's the same thing like President Akufo-Addo wini. Now President Akufo-Addo akwa appointed MPP ni as the Special Advisor. Na MPP for abonte beka say President Akufo-Addo since time a wini ye no MPP for na wakwa okofa abatale ho MPP ni na wakofa as Special Advisor. Wo kra na nkasembe na obeka. Kobe bisa say into the special advisor no nanka NDC ni na nkonko fan am ye sure say nanka obe bisa sa asem no into no Alban Bagbin say majority leader Osechi Mensah Bonsu say since time Alban Bagbin obae NDC for nkwa wa sha ase no NDC national vice chairman I friend Kofi Atto ono first person ba once no asem kayante enye majority leader nebe kan kayante. I say another first person na wakofan na ba parliament wo be ye juma as a special advisor. We not to also say he has brought Honorable Amoate, who used to be an MP, to his office to work. He has brought Honorable Shaibu, who is an immediate past MP but lost in the recent election. And now he has brought General Secretary Asiedun Ketia. That makes it look like he wants to dominate parliament with NDC members. That is one major worry. where are we going? Now he had an interview with OKFM. And in some way wakan e OKFM no. No. Wasi Ghana sisi aye kohen. Since time Abambagbin bae and the na way NDC phone kwa na sisi awaba besesa e dia bagogu parliament. E dia in na AC. Now you see this thing, it is extremely funny because tables have turned. And I want a lot of people to learn from this, because one thing they say, Embrana President Akufo-Addo on the first term, Michael Kwe, Embrana Wawohono. One thing that happened, and they say, na NDC, debia wamonso omofa echi eba radio so ebe keka nsem bi say Michael Kwe won twiti omo fairly we bias and MPP fo nkwa and I say ni say and I say ni say and I say ni say on send the table no assessor. And so I keep saying, say these two political parties, it is the same thing. No, it is the same thing. Because Embrana Abambagbin, and I said it, I'll say it again, maybe I know Bianti. Embra Abambagbin advice committee, Ekatran say ma wonfa asiedun ketia because it will look like intrusion, NDC intruding into parliament. No, asema wakan say na more MPP more time. Sebe mo nso mo de mo national executive nipa bi betena so mo hu say intrusion, and the me ya mo hu say intrusion. You see, he gave reference points. And the same thing is happening today. Ghana for bebre na atre wo mo adwen e won semboi so. Me say you can read the comments and I heard the Ghana for aircan. But this is what majority leader Osechi Mensah-Bonsu is accusing the Speaker of Parliament of. But you see, recently I say Sisiano Osechi Mensah-Bonsu and Abambagbin. I don't know the friendship between them, but ube to me when they say for the next 4 years, Ghana until next election, no. Osechi Mensah-Bonsu ni Abambagbin, omubenya kasakasa pa. Because nanseya no munya kasakasa watching say, hey, me number 3, unye say, untumi ntre media menye. And then so answer na wabeka same way, what can say, you see, on pese ebe looking like or fighting the Speaker of Parliament, because one thing they say, as a majority leader, they also have to protect the Speaker of Parliament. In same bi wo ho speaker no oye ananyama bi wo ho speaker ne ya. Wono eni kwan se wo ba abonte be kasa but the air koso no wan ba be kasa nso a enye when you sorry one kasa utri ho a ye we yibone. Inti no mi hu ne se insha asiemponi ya sha asiemponi utumi hu ne se it will be a long way. It will be very interesting in Parliament between Abambagbin and the majority leader. That's that. Yanko head the Ghana for aircan on this particular matter. Obi say, now who caused some? MPP failed to protect our own. Into MPP ni and our country a year Osechi Mensah-Bonsu say na nsemo a working one e cause ye sebe mo MPP for nanka moto abano ema Michael Kwe nanka nsemo ni na NC. And also ne asema will be aircan. Obi say, I never liked this Osechi Mensah-Bonsu. For once, he opens his mouth and spew nonsense and foolishness all the time. Hey, Obi ababe dinner temo. Okay, I say, Obi say, okay. I say, there goes Lawrence Adai, the burglar. Charlie, monso dear. Sembe crazy. Sembe. Obi say, when we complain about Akufo-Addo's nepotism and tribalism and cronyism and so on, you said Akufo-Addo cannot appoint NDC members and people he cannot trust. Now you see the dangerous precedent you have set. There is more. Into Obi asama what can I say? Embra nkrofo complain say President Akufo-Addo oba aban no. Ne nkrofo nkwa ene nebusuanfo nkwa no ma osi ne ba ko ne se Osechi Mensah-Bonsu ba bonte be ka se na say the President Akufo-Addo no mo pese ne tanfo na wode o mo be ye adwuma na ende de won say the same thing esi into obi nso bi san say sebe Abambagbin no ono nso ne tanfo na wonfo mo be ye adwuma wo parliament ho ana eye ne nkrofo na obefa nti se ofa ne nkrofo no mo ye NDC fo any kwan say we hear den okasa and so ne asema will be eka or say what do you expect? Should he appoint people he cannot trust? And also ne asema will be eka. So you see, what's the assembly will akwa two sides, and it depends. It actually depends on the side you belong to. What's then na NDC for Bo Ekufuado Echi, and then we mu defend Abambagbin. What's then na NPP forms we mu defend Ekufuado, and then we mu bo Abambagbin Echi. Aha, but the same matter na ekosuno, just that different levels. But we hu, sa anete. Inti no montre mo your comment box ni mo me da se.